How to set time limits on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add and set time limits on your TikTok. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is search for your TikTok app and open it up. After you open up your TikTok, head over to your profile on the bottom right. Now after you're on your profile section, you will see the three lines or the hamburger icon on the top right corner. Tap on it and now head over to settings and privacy. After you're on settings and privacy, scroll down till you find an option called screen time. Now if you do not find the screen time option, you will need to search for an option called digital well-being. Now tap on screen time and there you will see different options. The first is to set a daily screen time. The other, you can get reminders to take breaks from scrolling, and you will get your updates from here. Now right around here you will find how much you spent time on TikTok, and you'll also find the digital well-being tips. Now if you head over to the top, you will see daily screen time. Now tap on daily screen time and tap on set daily screen time. After you tap that on, you will see two options. One is you can set the same time limit on every day, or you can set a custom time limit per day. So I'll just set a time limit that is a custom one. So as you can see right here, these are the few options. You can now set this weekly. So if you leave it on default, you'll get 1 hour of screen time daily on TikTok. Tap on next after you're satisfied with the setting and tap on next. Now after you've done that, you will see this little toggle button. All you need to do is toggle this on if you want to turn on your screen time. And that is how you set a limit on your TikTok, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.